I still remember the color of the sky, the cold wind blowing, you didn't even try. You packed your bags and you walked out the door, left me standing on the wooden floor. Now every day feels a little bit long. I hear our favorite acoustic song. I try to smile but the shadows remain, staring out the window at the summer rain. Oh, why did you have to go, leaving me here in the afterglow? My heart is breaking in the sweetest way, ever since the day you went away. Yeah, the day you went away. I look at your pictures, they're still on the wall, waiting for a ring, for a late night call. It's funny how a promise can turn into dust. Now there is nothing left for us to trust. Oh, why did you have